Alright, so if you have wood underlayment and you have hard surface going on it, you have to watch out for bubbles, which are delamination of the, underlayment is plywood, but it's just high quality plywood with like a real nice smooth surface on top. So I don't know if these got wet or what, but whenever I was smoothing some of these out, I saw that there's been some bubbles forming in a few of these boards. So I have to cut them out. And if you patch them and more bubbles appear, you have to cut those out also. So what I'm looking for is, this one's pretty much good, I think. If there's any movement, you cut out where the movement is. You want it to be nice and stuck, meaning it's glued to all the individual sheets are still stuck together really well. It peeling out like this and just falling off when I run my knife over it, that's still bubble. So what I'm doing here is I'm pushing down on it, and if I see it flex at all, I already cut out the worst of it. That was like a big bubble that was obvious to see. But if it still has flex in it, that's a weak spot on the floor, and you need to get rid of that so it'll be smooth. This floor is going to get LVP, luxury vinyl plank, so it needs to be smooth and free of defects like this. No bumps, no divots, nice and smooth. That's what the patch is for, and I have to fix these before we can proceed with installation. Hope that helps. And this is what they look like with a little bit of mud in them after cutting out the bubbles. There's a little more love on that one. Some ramp sand. Cut this guy out. Shaping up.